We have got such an active upper air pattern causing weather all over the coast of Louisiana. We've had this little tropical air mass that has failed not once but twice to become any type of tropical system, but the low really hanging out on the coast of Texas here, but the winds that flow around it bringing in moisture and rains into Acadiana. So we've kept that high humidity and those rain chances because of that. You can see the activity on the radar, very scattered, isolated in nature, already really dying down for the night. A little bit more probably coming off the coast as we go through the night as the air rotates around that low that's lingering now off of Texas. Thankfully, not a Louisiana issue. And those rain storms that have occurred had the potential to be incredibly strong. Thankfully, these have cleared out, and you can see as they lose that daytime heating, they're really falling apart, and that's really all over. If you're in Lafayette going to make your plans, even traveling, you see some of those storms dying out, losing their energy, which is great news. So what do we think is going to happen over the weekend as we go through? We can take a look at our graph model to see what it looks like tomorrow as we're planning our weekend, where the rain still lingers in through tonight, and you can see a couple of pop-up showers trying to come in, especially from the south as those winds rotate around that low pressure. And here we are along the coast, couple more isolated and scattered rainstorms. And although they may look small on the radar, the thing to keep in mind about these is there is so much water in the air, even more being pulled in from the south, that they can be incredibly efficient rain producers, which may potentially cause flash flooding warnings to be issued tomorrow. And because they're not so numerous in their coverage, it can also be a little bit warmer as well, so something to keep in mind. Sunday, a similar story, but it's going to start to die down as we go through Sunday and head into Monday, where we have a big shift in the pattern and we are going to get incredibly warm. So now that we see that it's going to be raining for the next couple of days and we should enjoy it while we have it before the heat gets here, how much will it rain? Looks like graph is thinking anywhere from about ½ an inch, some isolated areas an inch or more, especially coastally. I think would want to watch for those heavier rainfalls as they got more support, more water in that area, but nothing too excessive, widespread. It's those isolated storms that pick up into the right dynamics and get really strong. Because of that, the Weather Prediction Center has us both hatched in today and tomorrow, and a marginal risk for flash flooding. That means anywhere in these green contour areas can see flash flooding occur. Now, I don't always show these maps, but the Climate Prediction Center for the 8 to 14 temperature outlook. Look at this, all of us hatched in warmer than normal. So we're expecting some very warm temperatures to get started next week as a heat dome builds over Louisiana. In fact, it might be centered right on top of us. And as that thing gets stronger and higher pressure builds and builds, it compresses the air, which makes it much warmer. You might remember them talking about it lingering around in the southeast, in the northeast. Well, now we have got it, and we'll be inheriting that as we go into next week and beyond. So enjoy the rains that we have right now, because we are going to be missing it as Monday and Tuesday come along. As far as tonight, you're making your plans. Temperatures are going to fall back down to the 70s as we keep some of that cloud cover, and then a couple areas still experiencing showers, but not widespread. And that you see those rain chances lingering on through this weekend, and then look Monday and Tuesday as that high pressure system suppresses a lot of it, and that's when I'm expecting that will be pretty warm, and you'll see that in the 10-day forecast as well. So big change. Well, we have all that rain. It's going to start tapering off on Sunday, and as we go into Monday, Tuesday, look at the highs in the 90s. That's before you factor in the humidity and then have those heat index values to worry about. So as you go through your weekend, just be prepared for some of that rain. Bring an umbrella. Keep in mind to have the weather app to get alerts on any flash flooding that may start to occur. And for the next couple of days, just be mindful of your heat safety. I'll take one last look at weather coming up in just a bit.